Alright, now imagine there's a cut curve right here. I don't know if you see that. Anyway, then we come over here. And all those cut pieces of marble are going to go in here, inset into here. I'm going to take this lion sconce out, this lion spitting in a clamshell, and I'm going to paint it bronze with some Hammerite bronze paint. It's really good shit. And then redo all this in here, so it's like a real swimming pool. It won't have a liner in it. It'll be actually a waterproof coating that's made of cement, a special kind of cement that'll go in there, and I'll have tile around the edges on the inside so that the turtle can't climb out. Be nice. Anyway, another project. Peace. This is the sconce, the lion pissing in a clamshell, and this is the curb. I've done all the demolition over there. This is where it was before in the other video. I'm gonna mount it. I'm gonna build a board, put it in there, and then set the marble on it. Take all this out and make this like a real in the ground pool. And that's a nice mess, huh? These fuckers here, they fix messes. Anyway, I need to find some weed, get stoned. Have a good day. Yeah. Now, this should give you an idea on where this is going, how it's going to be. That I cut these 3-inch squares, just all Italian marble, black and green. Made it basically a checkerboard with it. This sconce, or spitting lion, water comes out of his mouth, goes into this bowl, and then comes out this little protruding thing here. Then, of course, the tile will go all the way up. The wire is to give the glue something to stick to when you're using your adhesives to stick your tile down, and I've got really good adhesive for that. And I'm going to this will look better when I'm done. This is just preliminary, but I wanted to get a good shot on this so you guys can see what's going on. You can see all the different layers involved in it, how detailed it is. If you're ever doing tile, get these. This is worth its weight in gold. I did tile for years without them, and then once I find them, I'll never go back. It's like a crack baby. They never go back. And let's go over to the other part. We pretty much looked at it. Show you what's going on there. I got pretty drunk last night. Almost wrecked this car into the house. Just joking. Again, here's the opening where it used to be, where they had it furred out. That plywood that I showed you that had the tile on it, it'll come flush to right here where my hand is, and the tile will run down past it into the water. So the water will be like right to here, right? And this marble tile will actually run down into the water. So you won't even see this brick. It'll just go all the way up here with that lion right here, pissing into his little seashell, and then the seashell pissing into here. And we'll have a turtle in here, and heck yeah, it should be pretty cool. And again, I built this thing 10, 12 years ago. I did this. That's a matot right there. That's what Indians used to use to grind up their stuff. Anyway, I'm losing battery power or memory, it's telling me. But thanks for the interest, guys. I really appreciate the feedback from everybody. Everybody I showed this to has been like, wow, that's awesome, and show us more. So thank you very much. This is that ratty old fountain that was on the side of the house that looked like it was about ready to crumble to dust. I've cleaned it up. Always use these spacers. They make it so much easier. Used to be like something like this, I'd fight it for an hour to get it just right. Tomorrow, it's late. Shit, it must be midnight. It's 1 o'clock. Tomorrow morning I'll do the top. This isn't on there, it's just, but yeah, and tomorrow I'll install it and then build the pool. Another lucky break. Have a good one. Good night. Okay, people, this is pretty much the final look. How you like that? Shout out to my friend Yusef. That's the inside. It'll be white, and there'll be a floor in there made of concrete that'll hold water. Tomorrow I'll be cleaning up all that grout and filling in the spots that I didn't quite get to. Have a good night, all. There she be. A little bit of cleanup. Fucking more pumps, floating frog, and filters. That's it.